Hello my peoples, welcome. So today I wanted to quickly show you guys how you can properly copy images from one album to the other in Lightroom. Okay, so this will work with any other Lightroom version that you're in, but if you wanted to know what version I'm using, right here, this is the version that I'm using, version 7.1.2. okay, that's what I'm using. Okay, now that out of the way, let's say that you wanted to copy an image from one album to the other and you don't want any edits that you do to either one of the photos, whether the photos that are in the original album or the ones that you copied into the new album. You don't want those edits to show up on the other photos. Let me just show you guys. I'm a visual learner, so it will be easier for me to just show you guys what I'm talking about than just explain it to you. Okay, so let's say I wanted to copy this image from this album to this new album. Okay, so if I just click, hold and drag this image into the new album, boom, it works. It's here, it's on in the new album. But this is what's gonna happen if I do any edits to this photo. It will also reflect on the original image, okay, in the original album. Let me show you guys. The easiest thing that I can do is let's just crop in. Okay, let's just crop in and mess with it. Okay, let's say we did it like this. Okay, just so that you can tell the difference. If I go back to the original album, as you can see, it's also showing the same effect, like the edit also reflects on this photo. We don't want that. Okay, we don't want that. We want this image in this new album to be its own. Any edits that we do to this image, we want those edits to stay on this only on this image. Okay, so let me first of all just remove this photo from here. And one thing that you want to do is make sure that you click on remove one photo from album. You do not want to delete the image, because if you delete the image from this album, not only will you be deleting the image from the album, but also anywhere else in the cloud that you have this image saved. Lightroom, Adobe, whatever, they will just delete it all. Let me show you. So if I hit delete, it's asking you, are you sure you want to remove this image from your Lightroom photos, your albums, and shares, meaning that if you shared any of these images with other people through Lightroom or whatever, that will also get deleted. So you want to make sure that you click on remove photo from album. Okay, that will just remove from that album. So let's fix this back to the way it was. Okay, and let's do that. Let's just leave it like this for now. Okay, so now we have this image back to the way we wanted it to. The proper way of making sure that you copy the image to the new album and be its own image is to right click on the image that you want to copy. And then what you want to do is duplicate that image. Okay, wait for Lightroom to do its thing. I don't know why it's dragging it all the way to the end, but let's bring it back to the front, so that way it's easy for us to compare any edits or whatever we do to it. Okay, so now we have these two images that are basically the same exact images, but any edits that I do to this one will not apply to the original image. Okay, so we're going to take one of them. It doesn't matter which one. You can take the one that you just duplicated, or it doesn't really matter. Okay, so let's take one of these photos. Okay, we're going to click, hold and drag into the new album. Okay, keep in mind this is the one that we copied. I mean, this is the one that we copied into the new album. And then if we go to the new album, and then again we're just going to crop in, because I just want us to be able to tell the difference between the two photos. Let's go this way this time. Hit enter. And then if we go back to here, you notice that the original image is still intact. Like the edits did not affect the original image, which is exactly what we want. Now that we have it this way, what we're going to do is delete this image. Again, not delete is the wrong term. Remove this image from this album. Okay, remove. Now this image is its own. Like, we can do any edits that we want to it, and it's not going to impact the other image that is in the other album. Okay, this one is still its own image. This one is its own image. Let's say that you wanted to do this for multiple images. How do you go about that? Okay, let me show you that. Okay, so what you want to do is you click on where you want to, the photo that you want to start with, and then click on, hold shift on your keyboard and then click on the last image. Okay, for example, let me just do it for these ones. This is very important, okay? You do the same thing, right click on any of the images that you selected and then click on duplicate, okay? Once you do that, it will duplicate all the images that you, let me just drag it back to the beginning. I don't like how it does this. Let me just drag them back to the front so that way we can see any of the changes, okay? Okay, so I'll just put them here, okay? So these are the duplicated images. Did I miss one? Yes, I did. It's fine. It's fine. So I missed this one. It's fine. Okay, so those are the duplicated ones, okay? So what you want to do is do not click out of it because that's going to screw you up. You don't want that, okay? So what you want to do is hold on any of the ones that you just duplicated and then drag them into the new folder and into the new album, and then let go. Once you do that, do not click into the new album, okay? It sounds like I'm yelling at you. I'm sorry. But do not click on the new album. You want to make sure that you still have those images selected on the original album. And then what you want to do is right click on these ones and then click on remove photos. Okay? Click on remove photos. Boom, they're gone. If you go here, they're right here. And I did not copy all of the ones that I selected, but that's basically how you do it. Now if you do any edits to these ones, again, let's just crop in because again it's the easiest way to tell the difference. Okay, let's just crop into that part. Okay, that's that. If I go here, this is that image. You see it's still intact, nothing happened to it, everything's good. The same can be done to any of the other images because these images are their own images, like they're their own. Okay, so that one is this one right here, and as you can see, there's no the images are their own, and this is what I wanted to do. So I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please give this video a thumbs up and comment any other questions that you might have or any other issues that you might have run into. With that being said, it's me, Abdimalik. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.